Hello traders, Rich here and welcome to Kucoin as episode 35, and today we are going to go over Bitcoin detailed analysis. As usual, if you don't know about Kucoin, it's one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world with over 700 billion traded volume on the platform and 10 million registered users from more than 200 different countries. Kucoin has many features like spot trading, margin trading, mining pool, staking, lending, and many more with over 700 listed coins. If you don't have an account yet, I make sure to attach my referral link in the description below. And if you create an account through it, you'll benefit from 20% discounts on your trading fees. So let's get started. And as usual, cheers. We can clearly see that Bitcoin is still overall bearish from a long-term perspective. Trading inside this bearish channel, we got our impulse movement, correction, impulse, and we are currently in this flat correction. As long as we are stuck inside this range, we can't really say much unless this range is broken upward and above the 18K. In this case, a movement till the upper bound of this channel would be expected, which would be the intersection of the 20K round number, previous low, a supply zone here from H4 time frame. So this is a massive zone resistance area to expect one more bearish movement before maybe the bulls would take over by breaking above it or an impulse to push price further lower. But for now, let's take it step by step. We are currently inside this range. If we break it upward, as I showed you, if we break it downward below the 15K 600, we'll be expecting further bearish movement. It would be an impulse correction, then an impulse movement again till the lower support or demand area from weekly time frame. For now, since we are inside this range, and as usual, we'll be trading the range upward and downward until eventually it's broken upward or downward. If you zoom into H4 time frame, we are currently trading inside this rising channel, so we are currently bullish from a medium-term perspective. We got our impulse, correction, impulse, and we are currently also in this flat correction in the shape of a range. If we break this range upward, in this case a movement till the 18K resistance zone would be expected, which is also intersecting with the upper trend line in red, acting as a non-horizontal resistance, where I'll be looking also for a reversal, a short-term one, unless again and again, as I showed you from daily, if we break it upward, we'll be expecting a continuation till around the 20K resistance zone. For now, we are currently here stuck inside a range, inside a bigger range. And if we break this one upward, expect further bullish movement. If we break this range downward and below this previous major low from H4, we'll be expecting price to push lower till around the lower bound of this bigger range that we saw from daily time frame. So that's it. Now we are waiting for a break above it or below it. Meanwhile, of course, you can also zoom into M30 and H1 and trade this range until it's eventually broken upward or downward. Best of luck, and I'll see you hopefully on the next one.